Guys, welcome back to Ben's Corner. Today I am playing this off-road motorcycle game part 2. So I'm on the 20th level, and I got so much money for just the 20th level. So I'm gonna go ahead and start.
Ride on, cowboy!
I love you, boy.
And this message is just telling me something. What? Okay.
We're not
Oh, no.
easy. We're not easy.
Okay, so this game is kind of hard to me, but I really don't even care. All I've been trying to do on it is doing 3 backflips. I've only been able to do 3 backflips and 2 front flip. I've only got up to the number of 2, but that kind of makes sense technically. So I'm gonna at least try to do.
I know.
No, all I can do is half of a 3 backflips. So let's go. Okay. I didn't get enough height and speed. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wee. Okay. Wee. Let's go. No, if I just get enough height, I could do it. I don't think it even lets you do 3 front flips, but it ain't gonna stop me. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Sweet. Did it. Whee. Backflip. Okay. Whee. I'm not really to do it that, but whatever. Try again. I'm gonna stop just trying to do that. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a front flip right here. Front flips are hard. And they're useless. I really like the backflips for some odd reason the best, because I just think they look really impressive. I mean, doing a backflip is really easy, so I don't know. I don't know if I can do a double backflip on the trampoline. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna push right. Let's go. Let's go.
You want chicken nuggets?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Whee. I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna get a lot of speed and start doing backflips and hold really cool stuff. That's my last backflip. So I don't front flips now. Oh.
You want to wear your onesie? One piece. Okay.
Finally. Oh shoot, I couldn't have done a 3 backflip, but I swear I could.
Why don't you just sit down? Honey, go sit down, baby. Go sit down and eat.
This time I'm just gonna go flying like I normally do. Remember that the first time I did it? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Last backflip, let's go. See, anybody that can do so close. Do this thing before. Ready, move free, yeah, Never seen anybody that can do these things before. Ready, steady, move free.
The game.
Press this. Oh, press this. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe down below. Like this video, put a big thumbs up. Bye.